Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Farmer Winsre Olayinka, Cadre School student under the mentorship of Sebastian Essien. I would like to take you through the ideology of MMM, how MMM works, the rules of MMM, and the benefit of MMM. The ideology of MMM. What is MMM? MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical platform where which help millions of participants worldwide to connect to those who need help, to those who are ready to provide help for free, or transfer funds to another participant are your help given by your own goodwill to another one absolutely grantees. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make a contract or pledge your property. In MMM, there is no lender or no debtor. Everything is very simple. No participant, one participant asks for help, another one provide help. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. There is no central account where all the system flows, where all the money flows, and where it can be easily stolen from. All the money is only on the banking account of participants themselves, and a lot of thousands and million private accounts. Participants transfer to each other directly without intermediate. What are they for? In fact, MMM is only regulate the process, nothing more. So the system completely belongs to people. Not kidding. It is a real mutual aid fund where ordinary people help each other. How MMM work? How does it work technically? You declare the willingness to provide help. Click on your personal office. Hereafter, provide help. After which your account will be rewarded with Marble internal currency. Scores of system. Marble will start growing from the moment you offer the contribution at the rate of 30% per month. Calculation of reward occurs twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday at 00 GMT. The sum in Marble shows how much you can request for yourself. Say you have announced the willingness to assist with $100, you will be rewarded with your PO with 100 Marble, and we immediately start growing. A month later, this 100 will become 120 Marble. Accordingly, you will be able to request assistance for $130. However, it is not necessary that at all to wait for a month. Help can be requested at any time, but only after confirmation of Marble. What does confirmation mean? After confirmation it means only after you have actually transferred money, that is really give assistance to another participant. But not just declare the willingness. Request for providing help comes to you on your personal PO. If you do not do it within 48 hours, you will be removed from the system. Rules of MMM. Assistance given from one member of the community to another is a non-repayable donation of money. Participants should donate only non-critical sum of money, which is spare money. This is the amount that the participant can donate gratuitously. Participants share idea and goal of the MMM community. Members of the MMM community should be kind and honest to each other. The condition of mutual aid and bonus program, as well as the quantity of award Marble, should be unilateral change. Could be unilateral change at any moment for better operation of the community. Participants of the community have no legal but moral responsibility to each other. MMM is not engaged in any form of investment activity. Multiple registration and creating multiple accounts are forbidden. One participant can register only one account. In the case of violation of all these rules, all the accounts of the participants will be blocked. benefits of MMM. Registration bonus. When registering in the system, you get from $20 to $100 as a percent. But not everyone, only those who have contributed their own money as well. Otherwise, the system will be pulled apart. For bonus, they will only keep registering earnestly. You will get $20 if you have contributed from $50 to $499, frozen for 2 weeks. If you take it out earlier, you will lose the $20. $50. If you have contributed from $500 to $299, frozen for a month, and you will get $100 if you have contributed $3,000 and above, all frozen for a month. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all deposit contribution of the participants you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development, but nobody forces the member of the community to invite new participants. At the same time, understanding that the MMM can't exist without development, and participants must be encouraged in the form of referral bonus to motivate many people to take an active position. Guiders bonus. Guiders are trained participants in MMM community, and they can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a guider can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Guiders bonus depend on the level in the community. For example, if you are Ronald Guider, Ronald is Marcel Guider, and Marcel is Joseph, you will get 5% from Ronald donation, 3% from Marcel donation, and 1% from Joseph. If someone will be under Joseph, you will get from him 5%, 0.5, and so on. Guider bonus are credited in the same way as referral bonus, but only from new money deposited, and will be available to withdraw after confirmation of your help provided. Testimonial bonus. Bonus for the video in the letter of happiness is between 10%, 5%, and 1% of the amount of received help. After receiving help, you have to send a letter of happiness. If you have attached a video to it, you will get the bonus. The bonus is credited for each letter of happiness with video. How to register? To register or sign up, visit www.nigeria-mmm.net and click on registration and fill the form with your own details. Fill this email under invite farmeragunstrado@gmail.com or click the direct link. If you are finding it difficult, inbox me for a step to register, or call or send a WhatsApp message to 08062279365 for more information. Guider School Mentor, Sebastian Essien. Thank you.